Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD once again, and today in this video I am going to cover that how I am going to do the withdrawal from this trading platform BitPNS. So if you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel because this is a trending YouTube channel and it's working in all over the international. So finally it's a very growthful channel and you are going to get the many much information related about the trades, information, education and many more things else, entertainment, everything is involved in this YouTube channel. So let's begin with this videos now, and first I am going to tell you that today in this video I am going to show you that how I am going to withdraw the amount to my bank account. There are basically two things are there. Let I show you. First of all, I have to choose my withdrawal. First I am going to show you that in my amount 4731.39 rupees is there. Now what I am doing to actually doing, you can see here I am going to my wallet and I am going to click on withdrawal in rupees. Now I am going to first of all choosing the withdrawal in rupees, and now you can see here there are basically four methods are available for the withdrawal, but the two methods are not working recently, and basically here two methods are working. First of all, direct bank transfer, and another is P2P USDT transfer. In this video I am going to cover this bank transfer. In another video I am going to just cover this USDT. So today I am going to explain you that how I am going to withdraw amount from this bank. So when I have to click for here and I have to do what, check. Let's see now. First thing, in withdrawal type I want to choose instant or normal. So I am going to choose the normal. Why? Because in instant there are some charges I have to pay. For the example, I am withdrawing 4731, which is which is more than 5000. So you can see here withdrawal charges is there up to 1004 rupees up to 25,006 rupees. So if I am just going to withdraw from the instant, so it will take 6 rupees. So I am not I am just not delaying such all things. I am just simply taking normal. There are withdrawal charges none, there are nothing, no charges are there. Okay, in 24 hours it will or maybe that is instruction, you can just read here. Total number of withdrawal per day is 10 and withdrawal amount whole number of day, and in 24 hours it will proceed to my bank account. Okay, so now I am going to show you here that actually minimum balance how much here, 100. At least we have to deposit 100 and maximum is up to 2 lakhs. So now I am going to show you here that I am taking full amount, so I have just put it here full. Now what I have to do, actually I have to give here authentication. For authentication I am going to tell you that I am going to close my this account. I am going to close this my account first of all. So one thing more I have to tell you here. So you have to go in here and I have to download the authenticators. So I am not going to show you this authenticators. For that I am going to do my this screen black little bit. So for a while a second I am doing black here because I have to proceed it, so it will not show you here because I am going to write the code here from that authenticator. So I'm just going to take a little bit second, not be get bored. Just I am going to open the display again. First let I copy this code to just I have to paste it here. So now I am just going to paste here 581 932. So now I have just pasted this code here from there. 554. Yeah, now. And now I'm going to click the withdrawal option and successfully place request to withdrawal in rupees. Okay, so now I'm going to show you and just I'm going to doing the back, and now I'm going to show you the that option actually which you have to see it. Now where is gone actually? Yeah, so now your screen is going to open now, and now you can see here I have get the message here, successfully placed request to withdrawal in rupees. Okay, now I am doing the close here. Now I am going to home, and now I am going to show you here, see my wallet here, and in my wallet there is 0.39. so the money is actually transferred to my account. so it will reach up to 24 hours. So this is the method that how I have to withdraw amount from this BitBNS account. Okay, so if you interested to if you are if you are enjoyed this video a lot, and if you are thinking or interested to just join this platform, so go in the description. There is, I have just mentioned the link that how you can be able to make the account from there. Just click that, sign up there, register there, and let's start this profit and earning from this platform. So if you feel any kind of question, queries, just comment it. I am just going to give you the solution about it. Okay, so thanks for watching this, guys. Bye bye, take care. Hope you have enjoyed so much. Subscribe this channel for more videos, because in another videos I am going to tell you the another way of withdrawal, that is USDT. So this is how is it works, so I am going to explain you completely. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.